Dan Swede here at Hydrochem System. This is Nate Bin Cleaning Services Plus. They're out of North Dakota. Military background, so basically they're offering trash bin cleaning, power washing services. Kind of back for final testing. We just had the graphics, all the trailer wrap for them and everything else. You can see the additional trailers in production that are going out the door. These are all 3 Platinum Plus trailer packages. These are top of the line in the industry when it comes to the 3,500 PSI 9-gallon a minute high volume hot water power washers, 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system. They're all stainless steel, 4-nozzle high-speed industrial cleaning heads. Knock on wood, and I kind of always try to find it. Background of heavy equipment and electronic mechanics, hydraulics and all. We have never needed to replace a cleaning head yet on these series. It's amazing. We overkilled them. Each of the cleaning head weighed nearly 15 pounds each. We don't use the light duty aluminum version. They just don't hold up. Aluminum's okay for hydraulic systems with lubrication, and when it comes to high pressure water, etc., you know, just not recommended. You don't find aluminum heads on pressure washer pumps. You don't find any guns or assemblies that's really made out of that. So it's kind of ridiculous to have such a high dollar item even on the cheaper aluminum ones go out so frequently, when ours, basically, once again, we've never needed to replace one yet. Hard to see from top. I'll probably swing down, but I'm probably going to turn the video off so it doesn't get so bouncy and get a little more consistent. So these are all dual bin grabber style hydraulic lifters. They're dual cleaning head, oversized aluminum hopper, all steel panels on the trailers, super heavy duty trailer frames and axles, and double doors on each side, so you got access to get into the equipment, serviceability. We've got an extra set of high pressure and inlet hose reel on the side of the trailer. On the other side of it, we can't see it from here, a little bit on the back trailer there, but we do have a stainless steel high pressure hose reel on the rear hopper. You have 2 high pressure hose reels on the trailer, an inlet hose reel to supply water instead of running around trying to carry a garden hose with you and all that. On the economy package you see in the industry. If you're looking for top of the line industrial, commercial trash bin cleaning, wheelie bin cleaning systems, and these are all utilized as power washing systems. This truck here actually has the same 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine, soft wash system, wastewater recovery and everything. Does not do trash bin cleaning. This gentleman is just a super high-end commercial pressure cleaning contractor. That's why we use the same power washer on these trailers, because that allows you to multitask, able to do commercial cleaning. I have videos of this same size power washer, my 3,500 9-gallon a minute, 31 horsepower, 896 cc big block engine with one of our 48-inch surface cleaner or concrete cleaners, cleaning a 1,500 square foot paver driveway in 7 minutes. That driveway was 50 foot long, 30 foot wide, knocked out in under 10 minutes. Our competitors can't even clean one trash bin that fast. Compared to that, we can get both cans done and the driveway in normally under 10 minutes. So it's insane opportunity available with these systems. I'll run this down there and videotape a close-up view of the graphics on the, you can see the American flag and everything else on that trailer. Really unique graphics. It's all part of the package here that we offer. You could do your own sign wrap. We can provide it with the package, and basically so give us a call. We have individual breakdowns when it comes to that. If you want postcards and door hangers and signage and anything else, we offer that kind of assistance for you. We give you a 200-page marketing and contractor training guidebook and a lot more. Matter of fact, we're going to bounce around a little. I'm going to go ahead and Show you the additional stock trailers we have outside here since the door is open. There's additional inventory here. That's just our hose reel stacks for the trailer packages on the 2 in each. Pete's power washing truck. This is just a small section of our 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility and sales. Here's additional stock trailers. Continually having these things come through. There is 3 more trailers here. We just dropped off another one to have a sign wrap done on that. You'll see that probably end of the week or next week on that trailer coming back. So we have 2 more Platinum Plus sitting here. There's 3 inside. Obviously the one that's wrapped is good to go. Gold Series trailer at the end, which is our 3,500 9-gallon a minute one. This is not just an economy little Honda power washer. One of the top units in the industry. This has a stainless steel frame upgrade. 20-gallon winterizing tank. This has an 11-stage wastewater recovery. We also have the kill switch to override the entire system. It has we're not pretty adamant about our dependability and our quality of our cleaning heads. Spare tires on the trailer. Double doors on each side. I'll show you this side is going to not be as crowded because we don't have the additional filtration. We have the filtration system, but we don't have the HydroClear extra, but we have the high pressure hose reel. Dual tanks. We just don't allow the rear hopper to fill up with wastewater and you're driving around with a ton of extra weight hanging off the back of the trailer. We run that water out of the hopper back to our wastewater. And it's locked up, but we have 2 more Platinum Plus trailers in stock ready to go in our outdoor storage area. An outbuilding from off the main 50,000 square foot facility. More information, I'll zoom in. Give us a call at Hydrochem Systems. Phone number is 616-531-6420. 616-531-6420. HydrochemSystems.com. HydrochemSystems.com. Custom units are absolutely amazing. We can help you with all the marketing information on how to get started and everything else. I've been in their industry for about 32 years. The company is 41. I'm 47 years old next month. You know, you want to deal with a well-established facility. This is a major investment. You don't want to fly by night. You want somebody that as a company with our magnitude, we actually have 48 employee owners here, so we're 100% employee-owned company. We're based out of Caledonia, Michigan. Give us a call and we can give you a ton more information on what we have available. We also specialize in fleet washing equipment. We actually deal with we make drive-through truck washes. It could be 200-foot long buildings that are designed to do a drive-through truck wash, kind of like drive-through car washes. We also can put other vehicles through. We do municipality systems. Everything from fire trucks to police cars to garbage trucks go through some of our drive-through truck washes out there. We also manufacture our own brand of cleaning solutions. Our cleaning chemicals are well known around the United States, is top of the line. When it comes to that, we do have the two-step cleaning technology, basically using a low pH, high pH to clean the truck. So it's a brushless truck washing system. We use that for our drive-through truck washes. We have brush systems if anybody wants to add brushes to our drive-through, and then we do have the two-step cleaning solutions. We have remote controls that can work up to 1,000 feet away from the trailer in order to be able to do that. So we specialize in a lot of different industries and areas when it comes to cleaning, and this is just part of our package that we offer our clientele. I have over 1,700 videos on my YouTube channel, DP Swede. You can just Google Dan Swede or Hydrochem Systems, you can't miss them. A lot of training videos, hands-on training. I don't even own my own power washer. I didn't shoot any of the videos that way. Everything's been hands-on, one-on-one with our customer base. And we right now have 12 salespeople at our facility. We have a complete engineering department. 48 employees, you can imagine. All right, well, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you.